Welcome to detailed marriage compatibility. Detailed marriage compatibility for anybody, for any couple, if you want to get married, or couple who already married, going through a few issues in the relationship. Detailed analysis of horoscope matching, finding all the positive, all the negative points in the relationship, and defining each and every aspect of the marriage relationship roots. Detailed marriage compatibility, defining if there are manglik factors affecting adversely in the relationship, if there is a bhakut or nadi dosh or gramatri dosh or yoni dosh or any kind of nadi dosh or any kind of vishkanya dosh or any adverse entities existing in the compatibility. Detailed marriage compatibility is a right answer to root out any problem if you're experiencing in the relationship. Lots of time, thousands of time, people come back to me after getting married. Couple is coming along and they experience a huge issues regarding in their physical relationship, issue in their mentally detachment from each other. The issue they have developed a bitterness in the relationship. The issue they have a repulsion in the relationship. The issue regarding the emotionally the relationship become absolutely cold. There's no emotional development in the relationship. There's no emotional attachment in the relationship. There's no passion in the marriage relationship. Then we go through a detailed marriage compatibility at that time. But you can do the detailed marriage compatibility before you get married, because you are making a very important decision of your life. Marriage gives you personal happiness, family happiness. Profession gives you financial freedom, professional freedom. But these are two aspects of the life which are quite important for anyone's harmony, happiness, and personal prosperity. Detailed marriage compatibility gives you ultimate information, that in-depth information about your match with your partner. It can define all the negative factors, positive factors, and if there are any negative points in the relationship compatibility, we will offer you all the solutions which we extract from the Red Book or Maharishi Bhrigu or astrological solutions, and try to root out the cause of your grief or trauma or any kind of repulsion or bitterness or detachment in the relationship. Detailed marriage compatibility is the answer. Most of the time you are going through a huge effect in the relationship and you're suffering with that particular effect. With this detailed marriage compatibility, we can find out the cause of that effect which you're going through in adverse way. And from that finding, we will find out how we can sort out that particular cause. If your physical relationship is disappearing, if you're mentally detached from each other, if there are a lot of bitterness in the relationship, if there are a lot of outside influence in the relationship, if there are a lot of emotional development is not there in the relationship. Sometimes with the passage of time, the charm goes out of the window, the passion is not there, the understanding is not there. The couple have a lot of suspicious feeling about each other, and there are too much repulsion factor developed with the passage of time. Detailed marriage compatibility can answer all those questions which anybody can have about their compatibility if they are going through a negative phase of the marriage relationship. From these learning, we can find out how we can root out those causes to delete the effect from your relationship issues. Cause and effect theory. Until you diminish the cause, the fundamental cause of the particular issue, the effect will remain as it is. The day you remove the cause of that particular problem, the effect will disappear at the same time. Detailed marriage compatibility is ultimate conclusive analysis of anyone's marriage relationship. Before you get married, you can do this to find out, to learn about each other, learn about all the positive side of this coming marriage or all the negative side of this marriage relationship. And you can prepare yourself for any negativity and root out all the negativity and achieve ultimate harmony, happiness and prosperity in your marriage relationship. Good luck.